All right, fam, so the local top is in. This is what I tweeted, and I said the local top is probably here. And if you look at the market, I mean, this does not look like a very bullish day for me. Now, obviously, I have to be realistic, and if you look at this, 8% on cake, Aptos 4%, FET 7%, Pengu only 3% down, near 6%, Theta 6%. So 6, 7, 8% is not that substantial, but I do believe that this is just the beginning of the move, and I'm going to give you exactly my levels that I'm looking for and what can actually happen in this show. If that sounds good, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. If you don't know who I am, my name is 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙. I bring you short form content in a way that you can consume and make your own decisions within crypto. I bring you the latest alpha, the breaking news, so turn on the bell notifications as well when you subscribe. Or even if you have subscribed and haven't turned on the bell, then do that. Okay, let's jump into this. So most importantly, I tweeted this and I said this is probably a local top. And a lot of people are hating on me, and that's actually fine. I'm fine with people hating. But what you have to understand is I tweeted this as well. August 1st tariffs, BRICS moving towards forward despite Trump's warning, FOMC happening tomorrow, structure break on higher time frame, weeks up only, August usually negative for Bitcoin. I'm going to have a separate show on how August is actually negative for crypto. And if you can look at trajectory, the last 10 years, it has not been positive. But the market is not looking great as well. What is most important is that I, again, on the other chat, on the other show, if you have not seen that, we're gonna put it up here. You can see it. But I said that we need to have a break below here. Why? Because we did have a rejection here. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, a lot of people say this is nothing, it's a fake out. No, it is a very much so a 4-hour market structure shift. So this is a lower low. This level was the responsible that pushed higher, closed above here, created a high here, and then had a close below. This is nothing else but a retrace. So you could argue, okay, 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙, but this here is a market structure shift in a 4-hour. You could be right. The only problem is the following. If you look here, had the exact same thing. The exact same thing, where we had a clear break below here, on the 4-hour. Then we had a higher high and people started longing here. What happened? It came right back into the bearish order block. And this is exactly what's happening now as well. You need to have a 50% retrace after breaking below. So this here, doesn't matter that we retraced, because we need to have a retrace after we had a close below. So this would be the one, and that can come all the way up to the OB, which it actually did. Now, what do I think is happening now? What is happening is it's normal consolidation like this, and the potential retrace all the way down here to 3.75 trillion on the total and potentially 110,000 on Bitcoin. But ultimately, what you want to look out for is that this level, in my opinion, will break. So even though we come down slowly, it will break at some point and we come down to 3.6, 3.5 trillion. And this is the level that I would actually start looking at massive long positions, because that is going to be the last opportunity before the next leg up. What I want you to know is that although there's a lot of bullish news, and I understand that, I'm aware, but if you look at this, very similar pattern. You have a pump here, and you have a little bit of a consolidation. This is the consolidation that we could have now. Guys, we had what, how many days up only this is? It's like 15 days, basically up only. 15 days. Then yes, we had one pullback here, 4 or 5%, 15 days up only. This means that we should have some kind of pullback, and the pullback should come, in my opinion, to at least the 50% level, which would be down here at 3.6 trillion. Now, to all the haters out there, summary, ultimately, I'm expecting lower. That's what it is. We probably are just retracing. You see it here. You did have a 15-minute break, literally up here. I posted it on the Telegram as well. If you're not in the Telegram, make sure that you join in. I posted it. Where is it? It's up here, 15-minute market structure shift. So I updated you in the Telegram. This is exactly what happened here. And then from there, the total market cap went down 2.563%. This is what caused the market dump on all the other tokens. So if you look here, 15-minute market structure shift, but here there is a fair value gap. So I would not be surprised to see the price come and pump back right in here and then reject from there and then continue lower. Why? Everybody is bullish. Everyone is bullish. And that's exactly when the market makers are eyeing this. Now, here's the flip side. Well, I wanted to update you on my trades as well. So I have openly taken short positions. I have closed 30%. Again, in the free Telegram, I updated you and I said that I closed 40%. I actually did it a couple of days ago. I said that I closed 30% of my positions. You see here, I netted about 2.4 thousand on ton. This is the trading account that I'm running here openly. ETH 300 and then Solana 1400, so on. So I closed these and they are substantially lower now, so I can just get back in. So my INJ short right here is at $900, 24% profit, but this is nothing. So just to retrace an INJ, I would not be surprised if this goes below 12.8, something like this, 12.3. We're yet to see that. And my bots are doing fine as well. So the bots that I'm running, again, I told you how passionate I am about bots because they just do the work instead of me. I set up shorting bots so I didn't have to monitor it. It just literally bought and sold every time when the price went up. So as we were just pulling higher and higher and higher, as I was expecting, it was just selling and selling and selling, and then as we just dropped, it was buying back. This is a grid bot. If you don't know how grid bots work, I have a complete tutorial. This is literally, I genuinely put my hand on my heart. I've been trading since 2018. I've been in crypto since 2016. It's one of the best things you can do to actually do this. And I also have within the description, there is also a link tree to all my bots that you can easily copy. So what I recommend you check out this video. This video, you can click on it now. I'm rounding this up. You can click on this now and check out the tutorial. And you can also check out the links in the description. If you sign up using my link, you get a $1,000 bonus. And also, you can copy my bots. Otherwise, you can't, unfortunately, if you don't sign up with my link. But the bots here are doing fine as well. I'm up 17% on Bonk, and I'm up about 13, 14% on INJ. Now, if you look at, let me look back here at Bubble. What is INJ at? INJ. Injective, it's down 7% on the day, and we are up 13% on the day, so that's actually quite substantial. Let's look at Bonk. Bonk, 6% down on the day, we're up 17% of the position, so I mean, I think we're doing fine. Okay, the other side of the coin, which I have to talk about as well. You know, I'm always realistic, I'm always keeping it straight with you, and this is what we're gonna do here. We can see a push, and this is, I want to make it very clear. A lot of people come in, you're flip-flopping, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah, blah. You as a trader, you have to have understanding of what the market is going to do, okay? You have to plan your steps. If this happens, this is what I'm going to do. If this happens, this is what I'm going to do. My number one thesis is that we are going to see a continuation down, all the way down here, 3.75. Potentially, we're going to break down below here and continue down to 3.5. This is my ultimate prediction for August, okay? But I'm not stupid, and I'm not gonna get caught if the market decides to go otherwise. So because we have built up liquidity here, which by the way we also had here, just to be very honest here, look at the exact same pattern. Look at this, the exact same pattern, We had liquidity here. We could see a sweep of liquidity and then a rejection then. It can happen. So I'm gonna monitor it, and even if we have a 4-hour close, I'm gonna be very cautious and only trade on a lower time frame. So if there is a lower time frame rejection, I can just simply close my trades. But there is a 20-30% possibility that we're gonna just wick through here to take this liquidity and then reject from there. And if we reject, then we just go lower. So this is in the cards. Nothing is going to happen. I'm going to get stubbed, and that's absolutely fine because the rest of my positions are there. I have posted in the Telegram that I am adding a little bit to my longs, and this is what I did. I literally posted it right here. Like right here, I said that I'm adding a little bit back to my longs. We're up 1.5 or 2% from there. So ultimately, this is what I'm thinking. You can look at all the other coins. You can look at Bitcoin. You can look at Solana. The same pattern will unfold. I do think. Let me look at Bitcoin for a second here. I do think Bitcoin is going, look at this, Bitcoin had a massive dip. So I was calling for it up here, going down 7%. I do think that Bitcoin is consolidating. And it's again, like this is, I'm sorry to pop your bubble, but this here is a 4-hour break. And this here is a liquidity accumulation for a tap into a higher time frame OB, and unfortunately rejection. So like 110,000 for Bitcoin. Okay guys, appreciate you watching. Let me know in the comment section if you like these shorter updates, if we should do them actually every single day. I didn't think that you guys needed it every day, but we could do these 10-minute shows every single day. Let me know in a comment, like the show, share the show, and also check out this video. This is going to be the tutorial about the bots, and this is going to be a tutorial of manual trading, depending on what you want. I mean, if you want to work hard, check this. If you want to work smart, check this. Guys, appreciate you. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.